Hey everyone, I'm Roger Herring. I'm the founder of Investors Accounting LLC, and welcome to My Two Cents. In this segment, I get to give you my opinion about something that I am asked all the time. Today, here are my 2 cents on asset protection. Now, first, let me tell you this, guys. I'm an accountant. I'm not an attorney, so I'm not going to go into the legal mumbo jumbo. For legal structures and true legal asset protection, talk with your attorney. All right. That being said, Roger, when do I set up my LLC? Well, as soon as you're holding yourself out to the public. Okay. You don't want to be out there naked and somebody thinks that they're doing business with you. You always want someone to know that they're doing business with your company, not with you as an individual. Before you have your LLC, there's something else you should also consider. That's called insurance. When you are out there, insurance is always going to be your first line of defense. So if you are a landlord, you need both a homeowner's policy and you need a landlord policy. Sometimes you can have a rider inside of it, but hey, I'm not an insurance broker. That's someone you need on your team, a good insurance broker, not an agent. A broker is someone that can go to multiple companies and has multiple lines. An agent generally can only sell for one company. All right, that's the first thing. That's your insurance. After your insurance, your fallback is your limited liability company. Well, Roger, why not a corporation? Well, it depends on what you're doing, but at the end of the day, my legal entity of choice is the limited liability company. It's very flexible. If you set up the wrong tax structure, I can usually fix it, and it's got some additional protections. At least it does here in Georgia. You see, there's this thing called commingling. That means that you pay personal expenses out of the finances of your company. That's not a very good thing to do because that's the number one way that a savvy attorney penetrates the corporate veil. In Georgia, the Limited Liability Company Act says that alone will not violate your veil. So the LLC is the second. And guess what? After that, it's another set of insurance. This one, though, is your private personal umbrella policy. At least $1 million gain, and guess what? It's not that expensive. But here's the catch. You better make sure that it will cover business activities because some of them do, some of them don't. Like I said, get a good insurance broker on your team. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening to Roger's 2 Cents. Roger out.